We see a young child named Timmy sitting in front of a TV, watching a cartoon. Narrator: Hey there, Timmy. Do you know what context is in Flutter? Timmy looks at the TV and then turns to the camera, confused. Timmy: What's Flutter? Narrator: Flutter is a way to make cool phone apps. And context is an important part of it. Timmy nods his head, still a bit unsure. Narrator: Okay, so imagine you're playing with your toys in your bedroom. You're having so much fun, but then your mom calls you for dinner. We see Timmy's mom calling him from the kitchen. Narrator: You have to leave your toys and go to the kitchen. But how does your brain remember where you were playing with your toys? That's where context comes in. Timmy looks thoughtful, trying to understand. Narrator: Context is like a memory for your phone app. It helps the app remember where it was before, so it can go back to the right place. Timmy nods again, starting to understand. Narrator: So if you're playing a game on your phone and you get a call, context helps the game remember where you left off. That way, you don't have to start all over again when you come back. Timmy smiles, happy to have learned something new. Timmy: Thanks for explaining it to me, narrator. That was cool. Thanks for watching.